Welcome back to the channel. Here's another tool tip that I have for you today, and it's how to magnetize a screwdriver. And this tip is really helpful because sometimes you can't have both hands readily accessible, or the place in which you're trying to place the screw is a little bit odd, and you want your screwdriver to hold this in place. And I know nowadays there's more and more screwdrivers that are already magnetic, so this might not apply for some of those tools, but the cool thing is you can magnetize your screwdriver at home without anything fancy. All you need is a decently strong magnet, which I have in this little magnetic wristband, which by the way is super helpful. I love this thing. You can wear it on your wrist, and then when you're taking down stuff, put all your bolts and screws and nuts and whatnot on there, and it's all in one place. So anyway, so I'm going to use that. So I have this screwdriver in here. I'll show you beforehand that use this little screw. See? It is not magnetized whatsoever, but all we need to do some passes across the magnetic strip. Now watch this. Look at that. So this tip is, I just love this little handy tip because it can be useful in so many different instances. And yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you today. How cool. Completely simple. And I think the even cooler thing about this is it's not like after today this thing is going to be no longer magnetized. I magnetized this screwdriver about a year ago, and let's see, maybe something lighter. It's not as magnetic as it was before, but as you can see it's decently still magnetized. So this can last you a while, this trick. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, or if you have any other great tips or useful ideas, please feel free to share them. Again, this channel is all about helping people, especially doing at-home projects or learning to become more comfortable with tools and fixing things. So yeah, if you have any other helpful tips or tricks, please share them with us. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out, really helps the channel. And subscribe, share with your friends, and check out my other tooltip videos. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.